So I just wrapped up a whole launch for Labor Day for Ecommerce Paradise, and I wanted to share with you guys a little bit about what it takes to do a launch. And you can do this for high-ticket dropshipping stores, you can do this for online courses, ebooks, whatever the heck you have to sell online, you can do it for anything. Launch process is really simple, and it was actually started a long time ago. I'm using all this borrowed stuff that I've learned, but I've got it down pretty good well. So here's how it goes. The launch process is really simple. It's 4 stages. Stage 1 is the pre-launch. So it's when you start building sort of the curiosity. You get people's attention and you build curiosity about what's coming up. It's really important because that's going to get them excited about it. Stage 2 is where you actually build their interest and desire about it. You tell them about what's going to happen. You get them really excited about it. You build excitement around that. Okay, so that's the second stage, is pre-launch. And then the third stage is the actual launch. So you want to make sure that you make a big deal out of it. All the different platforms your company markets through, you want to make as big a deal as possible. And it's got to have an end date, an end time. Okay, that's really important. And number 4, the last stage, is actually post-launch. Post-launch is key because you're going to be telling the entire audience about how your launch went. And so the key you want to do here is 2 main things, okay? Number 1, for the people that enrolled or signed up or bought or whatever, you want to congratulate them and thank them and all that stuff and onboard them, okay? That's really important. Follow through and be an awesome person because those people just enrolled, made a tough decision, and you want to make them feel great about that. Number 2, you want to actually, to all the people that didn't sign up or didn't enroll, you want to tell them how well the launch went, because if you do that, you're going to build up their desire to get it when the next launch comes around, okay? So that's really key too. So those are my 4 stages, almost kind of like 5 stages for doing a profitable launch that I've learned over time. I've worked with a lot of different mentors to learn this stuff, and I'm still practicing, getting better at it myself. I want to shout out to Russell Brunson. He's been awesome. Also, I want to big shout out to Till Boydella. He's been an amazing mentor to me as well. And there's tons of different people out there. The guy who wrote the launch book, Jeff Walker, actually kind of the product launch formula, where you have, instead of a long form sales letter, you do what's called a sideways sales letter. So you do a series, like kind of like a mini course. You do 3 videos and then a sales video. And so if you read the launch book, it's a really good book, and it explains all about how launches work. But just understand that every single launch needs to have those 4 stages, okay? Pre-launch content, where you get people's attention, build their curiosity. Pre-launch content, where you get their interest and you build the desire. And then you want to have stage 3, which is a launch, so really strong launches, even like live webinars, live video, stuff like that really helps close sales on the spot. And then, of course, number 4, your post-launch, where you're talking to your customers and you're talking to the leads who did not convert, so that hopefully they'll convert next time. Hope you guys learned something from this today. I'm going to be building out a lot more content around this on a personal blog and YouTube channel later on. It's a really interesting process I'm going through, so I want to help you guys learn how to do it yourself. Because the truth is, you're an expert at something, and whatever that something is, you can teach that online or provide a service online to help people do it themselves. And if you can learn how to sell through the internet, through launches, then you can make a profitable business online out of whatever you're an expert at, okay? And that doesn't necessarily mean it has to be you or like your services or a course. It could be a physical product. If you are creating a physical product, launches work great for that too. Affiliate marketing works great for that as well. So with that said, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed and got value out of this. See you next time.